Topsis and Conjoint analysis to rank shopping center in the locality of Mbanza-Ngungu, Democratic Republic of Congo. First of all, we would like to apologize for some mistakes and mispronunciations, since we are not from a French we are from a French-speaking country. English is not our native language. We apologize. Okay.
Okay, don't worry about it.
We are going to introduce our speech by the schedule of the presentation. First, we have an introduction. Next, we are going to present the methodology of our study. Just after that, we will present the result and related discussions before concluding. So, consumers are often faced with the problem of choosing the ideal shopping center for better buying. This problem can be stated as the following questioning. What is the best store for better buying? What are the criteria involved in this process? And what is the most important criterion among all selected ones? There are a solution for this problem. We think that multi-criteria. Sorry?
You may continue. I
Okay.
think there is a problem with someone's microphone, so.
Okay. For this problem, there is a solution. My multi-criteria analysis with its appropriate aggregating functions can solve this problem. As examples for multi-criteria problems, aggregating functions, we have AHP, Topsis, Electra, and so on. Those methods are worked out for choosing, sorting, ranking, or describing alternatives. So we are going to present the locality of Mbanza-Ngungu. Mbanza-Ngungu is our study environment. It is a locality in the province of Congo Central, in the western part of our country, DRC, Democratic Republic of the Congo. It is located along the Matadi. Matadi is the main town for the province, to Kinshasa, which is the main town of the country. It is just in midway where they can have a railway line. Its geographic coordinates are 5 degrees and 16 minutes south and 14 degrees 51 minutes east. You can see some picture of showing the city, the locality. And then as a methodology, we have chosen some aggregation functions like conjoint analysis, AHP, and Topsis. Conjoint analysis has helped us to obtain importance of criteria. Next, we used result returned by conjoint analysis to run AHP and Topsis. As computing materials, we have used a Dell Precision 5530 computer with CPU, Core i7 CPU, and we have also used IBM SPSS Statistics 23 as software. I can make a precision that we have used also a Windows 10 operating system. Okay. Our survey covered 128 consumers and was conducted from January 2021 to March 2021. 6 malls located in the locality of Mbanza-Ngungu were selected as alternatives. As criteria for our study, we have chosen price for product that malls are selling, quality of product they are selling, distance between the mall and the consumers, and the way that they welcome customers. After performing conjoint analysis, we find that quality is the most important criterion with 32% of the total consumers utility, and distance is the last criterion in this ranking. The overall ranking for AHP is as given in the presented table. We can notice that shopping center C is the best one, and shopping center A is the last one, according to AHP. But we have worked out with the same data to see whether this ranking is maintained when using Topsis, and we see that shopping center C is still the first in the ranking, and shopping center A is the last one. Means that AHP and Topsis agree with the same ranking. What can we learn from this study? First, that the quality is the most important criterion, and distance is the less important criterion. But when using the conjoint analysis, most inversions were made on distance and price with respectively 7 and 6 inversions. There is only one inversion on the quality criterion, which is the most important criterion. As perspective, we suggest to use more multi-criteria decision-making method and other statistical analysis to investigate this problem. And we think that fuzzy preferences will be more realistic than classical ones. We would thank you for your attention, and we have written thank you in our languages. Merci beaucoup in French, gracias in Spanish. Aksanti Swahili. Yaukidi is the local language for Mbanza-Ngungu. Matondo is Lingala. Wasakijila is the spoken language in the center of our country. We really thank you for your attention.
Okay. And teşekkürler in Turkish. Okay. Any questions for Professor Benoît?
Please, I'm gonna ask you something.
Okay.
As I'm not a good English speaker, I would like all participants to speak more slowly.
Okay. Okay. Any questions? So I am asking one. You did perform conjoint analysis, AHP and Topsis by using same data?
Yeah.
But the conjoint analysis
No,
requires...
I mean, conjoint analysis were used only to find the importance of criteria.
Okay,
and we
so
confronted AHP to Topsis.
okay, then you ask two different set of questions to decision makers.
Yeah.
Okay.
In the submitted paper, we have presented a formula to convert cardinal preferences into pairwise matrix.
Okay, I will read it after this session because it is interesting.